back to the channel, and thanks for all the support. Well, today, as you can see, you guys staring at some honey and a gadget. What's going on today, Janita? Well, I'm making some dinner rolls. Yes, I'm making some dinner rolls, and honey is one of the ingredients. But the gadget, cooking in the kitchen with these gadgets. The gadget of the day is this product that I got from, what is the name of that company? That show, QVC, I believe. A while ago I bought this. And what this does is help you to get like sticky stuff, like I'm going to do honey or peanut butter or something like that, something sticky. It helps get every bit of it out of the container. No waste. You get exact what you want. Nothing's left behind. So that's what I'm going to demonstrate. I already have some honey in this cup right here. One cup of honey. And I'm just going to pour it in here and then put it back in the cup just to demonstrate how it works. And as far as I remember, these are the two pieces that were together. I think this is all of the tool that it came with. I don't think it's I don't know, because this is what I found, because I got so many gadgets in this kitchen that I haven't used in a while that I need to just wash, because you know when stuff sit around and you don't use it, it start collecting dust or grease, whatever. But anyway, staying on the subject, it came with the small one too. Say you got some wet ingredient and you only want like tablespoon, teaspoon, stuff like that. Hold up. See the measurements? Dry, solid, and you know you want to get every bit of ounce of that wet or whatever ingredient. You could use this also for dry ingredients. It's like a when you use your measuring spoons. So I just fell in love with it when they used it to get the peanut butter out, because I love peanut butter cookies. So I wanted something to make sure that no peanut butter was being left. But today we're going to just demonstrate, and let me show you. Let me see. I put the honey in there. This is a cup of honey that we're going to get up out of here and put back in this cup. Now, in my measuring cup, all kind of honey residue is going to be left in this measuring cup, as you can see. See the residue in there? But, okay, honey, stop. Okay, guys, I'm going to try and do this as best I can. There's the cup, and here's the gadget with the honey in it. I don't know the light. I brought this little light thing. Okay, what I'm going to do is start. Let me see if I can get my hand in there. Is you start. Wait a minute, let me get it started. Oh, okay. You got to start pushing up. And as I push up, it's twisting up. The stuff is, let me show you the rim. It's all the way at the tip now. I'm going to start having to put it into the cup. But what I'm going to show you is the after results, that it's not supposed to have any honey left in it. Okay? So, I just push it all the way up. I don't know if y'all seen that, but I pushed it all the way out, and you can see there's nothing left in the plastic part. See it on the white part? That's where the honey was sitting in the clear cylinder. So right now, let's stop it from leaking, and let me side it back down so you guys can see. See, all the honey, except for that, when I slid it back down from the top, it leaked back down. But as you can see, it all got out of there. And you've seen the difference in the measuring cup where the residue was left in the measuring cup. But in this beautiful, lovely, phenomenal, absolutely helpful gadget, that will get the job done of helping you get every bit of morsel of whatever wet, dry ingredient you want. Every bit of it comes out using this OXO. I don't know what it's just got. It's made by OXO. I got it from QVC a long time ago, and it's just a measuring device tool, kitchen tool that helps you just get every bit of whatever you put in it out. And I love it. And that's it for today. That's cooking with these gadgets today. That's what we're going to use. This is what we use to help. This is what I use to help me help me get my bacon, get all my ingredients, the best measurements I can to use in my dang dishes. Okay, so let me put it back down. This honey is still up there at the top. Let me just slide that across there like that. Get that all in there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this demonstration as much as you could see of this demonstration, because I should have had it on something white. Let me hold on, guys, because a black ground can't really see that well. I should have had done it on a white background. Remember, a great tip: you want to bring out color in something dark, put it on something light. If you want something dark, put on something. If you want something light, to put on the dark. You want to see something light in the dark, well, whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed this demonstration of this cooking in the kitchen with these gadget tools. And like I said, it's by the company that make this product is OXO. And yeah, I love it. So thanks for coming in here and watching this another episode of these gadgets that I'm cooking with. And am I going to show the biscuits? I don't know. Maybe not in this episode. This is just, today is just a tool. Yeah, so thank you again. I really appreciate you for coming in here and watching and supporting. And if you're interested in this tool, remember I got it from QVC. They might got it in their catalog. I'm not sure, but you can check it out. But that's where I got it from. Alright, okay guys, that's it for In the Kitchen Cooking with These Gadgets. Until the next episode, stay blessed. Bye for now.